Hello again everyone, Truck CB Sales here with a temp report for Jose in Tennessee on the Stryker SR-447HPC2. Jose, got it ready to go for you, bud? Our basic tune alignment. We got the 636 noise canceling mic packed up for you, and I see you also ordered a heavy duty power cord for a 3-pin radio, so we'll get that sent out to you as well. Jose, we got the RF power all the way down here, 50 watt slug, about 1.5 watts all the way down. That way if you decide to run an amp, you got full adjustability. Roll it all the way up, 12 watts, show you average power swing. Hello, about 38 bird. 100 watt slug PEP, hello, about 88 peak. Now Jose, when you key the mic, it's going to show your SWR right there. Make sure you got a 1.5 or less to ensure a long life for this powerful yet small radio. Jose, appreciate your business. Good little chat we had today via email. Looking forward to more and more of the business. Your friend Truck at truckcbsales.com. Bye-bye.